is Ronnie, and welcome to Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches, Day 26. This one has hexagons in it, and I thought, man, I don't have no dies for hexagons. And so then I thought, well, I'll just make this bigger and cut them out. And what is bad, I laid it like on here, and I just picked the picture up without thinking. I meant to do the other one. But yeah, it's going to be backwards from what I intended. But I do have a couple things done ahead of time besides the photos. Because, yeah, I was watching TV and did this. And I used the Fiskars Advantage border punch. And of course this is the cupcake one. And I did it like a cut file. And did the back so that it would be cupcakes all the way across. And I got this from Chelsea. Well, I got the border die system, punch system from Chelsea. Not this. But yeah, it's cut out so cute. And I have other stuff, and I haven't pulled out my white paper. But I'm going to try to finish the layout. Well, I didn't end up getting white. I got a butter yellow color. And it's in the stripe of the one paper that I'm not going to end up using. But at the time I picked it, I thought I was going to use it. But it goes well enough with the yellows that are in there. I'm going to start at the one corner and come towards the center with stripes and those cupcakes. I'm going to have them on there too. So it's going to take me a few minutes because y'all know I don't like angles that much. Yeah. So, yeah, every time I see one of these with angles, I'm thinking, oh my goodness, again. But I am getting practice. Yeah, usually I just kind of avoid angles, but I am getting practice. And let's see. The paper I'm using is from Die Cuts with a View. It's a paper pad called, I think it's just called Celebrate. I think that's what it's called. And it's kind of an old pad. I've had it a long time. And it has foiled paper and glitter paper and plain paper. So it has a variety and a variety of colors too. And I used the scraps that I had to do the cupcakes. And the icing, I used vellum, just plain white vellum. I didn't put any ink on it or anything. Although I had my inks out to do each one different, and forgot about it. So, yeah, they're all white, but I think they'll work. But my photos are from a birthday party. Well, a double birthday party. And it was at Skate City, and part of the party, they provide a cake for each kid. Well, since it was a double one, 2 cakes. Plus, the kids in the family always get to pick what cake they get, even if it's at Skate City. So they had those cakes too. So there's plenty of cake. So I thought I'd do the cupcake border. I probably would have done it if there was only one cake too, but I just thought I'd tell you that's why I was thinking so many of those cupcakes really went with the cakes of the day. And you can see one of them in the photo. And let me tell you, you'll be wanting a piece of it as soon as you see it. It looks magnificent. Yeah, it was delicious. Um, like I said earlier, I cut the wrong pictures. I was going to have the smaller one on the left like it is in the sketch. But instead, I'm going to have the smaller one on the right. Well, I didn't want it just by itself, so I decided to go ahead and use the picture frame and kind of tuck it in there. And I am matting my photo twice. I did do it in white, and now, well, a couple of them I'm going to do in red, the same red that's for the cupcakes, but then I'm going to do a couple in that purple checked paper there because I was trying to use up scraps. I didn't want to get another piece of paper out. And so, yeah, that's why the purple. But there is, that is a favorite color of hers anyway. And she's got a bobo JoJo bow in her hair. It's the one I got her for her birthday, along with a little, oh, well, it's like a journaling book. And yeah, she had to put it in right away, so she wore it to the party. But she's a scrapbooker. She likes to scrapbook and she likes to get scrapbooks. So this is for her. And I'm making sure I put the journaling card on there. She won't have much room to write by the time I put everything else on there, but she can write something. But yeah, she likes to do her journaling and everything. So yeah, I thought I'd leave that card on there, but you will see she won't have much room at all. Yeah, I started tucking things here and there, and she got less and less room to write. I'm putting my hexagons just a little different than it is in the original sketch. And I wanted that one cake to shine. There's cookies there too. Yeah, I forgot to mention the cookies. But I wanted that one cake to show up a lot better because that was the one that was her choice. And I it's on both the photos. So I'm going to cover up the one on the left so it don't look like there's two cakes. There's just one. So yeah, one of them's getting covered up, but the other one got cut into the bigger of the two small hexagons. And the other one has, it's the thing from the skate party thing, and it's I believe if I'm remembering correctly, it had like little Legos on it with a happy birthday. And yeah, those cookies look pretty decent too, but that cake looks like to die for. Yeah, the local donut house makes really good cakes. Um, the thickers that I'm getting ready to use, they are, what were they? Polish was the name of them. And the color is grapefruit, but it goes with some of the colors that's in the pattern paper there. So I thought it'll work. And I'm only going to have Birthday Girl as the name of it. And look at me, I am putting it in the same place they did in the sketch. I did good there. And when I wasn't feeling very creative and couldn't think of what I wanted to do exactly, and did that border for with the cupcakes, I mean, I felt creative doing that, but I couldn't think of what else to do, so I went ahead and started fussy cutting, and I did fussy cut quite a few things out. I'm not going to use them all on my layout, but I did use that cake and cover up the cake in the photo. And I did decide to go ahead and use the hat too. I thought the birthday girl needed the hat right there, and I used it, but I don't think I used anything else that I fussy cut. I will be using some stuff that I punched out. Well, I haven't punched them out yet, but I'm going to punch them out. But yeah, I fussy cut several things. Well, you can see that happy hip hip hooray. I think that's what it is. Yeah, you can see it laying there, and there's more, but oh, and here I am putting sprinkles on because I thought I was done because I still wasn't feeling creative and could not think of anything else to do. But I'll sit here and look at it and find something else to do. But yeah, that's why the sprinkles are going on now. Well, I sat there long enough that I glanced over and seen those puffy stickers. So you're going to see me put a couple on here. Well, I put one, took it off, put the cake on the pedestal, and I put that one over there that's a dark pink. It's not going to stay there. I'm going to end up moving it. And since they're round, I actually thought of the enamel dots. So I'm going to put enamel dots on there. And then that space next to the bigger hexagon, I just kept bugging me and I could not find anything to go there. So I'm going to make something. I got out my scallop punch and I'm going to use my 1.5 inch punch and 1.25 inch punch and layer. And then I'm going to make a partial one. That one I'm going to cut in half. Well, not half. One side's going to be much bigger than the other. But I'm going to tuck both of them under stuff. And then I'm going to think, I need one more. 3, odd number. So yeah, I'm going to make a partial one and tuck it under too. But I think that's it. I think I will be done once I do all those things. Well, it's repetitive things. But yeah, I'm going to make one more partial one. And that's it. But if you look down there below, you'll see the link to Christy's Facebook group where you can make your own layout using the same sketch and post it. Or you can use the hashtag and post it on Instagram and look at the ones on Instagram. And Christina's link for her Redefined Creative Scrapbook page on Facebook. Well, it's her store page. She does have a group though too. And she'll do one live every day with the same sketch. And oodles more down there below. Links for YouTube and Instagram with inspiration. And not all of them's going to be doing it every day, but we've only got like 4 days left. So it might pump up there and everybody might throw one more in there. But that's it. That's my layout. If you leave a comment below, I'll get back with you. If you like the video and hit a thumbs up, I'd appreciate it. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, I'd love to have you subscribe. And those of you who already are, thank you so much. But I hope you all have a happy, scrappy week. Take care and stay safe. Try the sketch. I did it. I did all these angles and hexagons too. Bye.